Hurom, founded in 1974, has established itself as a leading innovator in health and wellness for over 40 years, developing and manufacturing the world's first slow juicers, all aimed at enhancing human health. Hurom was established with the founder Kim Young-gi's unchanging commitment to bring the benefit of health to everyone. Based on the belief that humans are from nature and should consume what nature offers to be healthy, Hurom presents and communicates methods for a healthy lifestyle to the world. Our sole purpose is the health of humanity. Selling machines is merely a means to achieve this goal. Your health, our priority. Hurom. Hurom promotes a healthy lifestyle with its innovative technology and design. In 1980, Hurom developed its own low-speed type screw for slow-pressing fruits and vegetables. Over the following 40 years, the company has continued to pursue innovation and finally released Hurom M100, a revolutionary product that combines a juicer and a blender into one. In the Republic of Korea Patent Prize 2023, Hurom was honored with the King Sejong Award, a recognition for the highest achievement in technology patents, demonstrating innovation in pursuit of health.
저희 휴롬 제품은 기술력뿐만 아니라 인체공학적 디자인으로 각종 세계적 디자인 어워드에서 꾸준히 수상을 하고 있습니다. 이로써 상업적 측면에서나 디자인적 측면에서 모두 우수성을 인정받고 있습니다.
Born from technology solely dedicated to the health of humanity, Hurom's products serve as a stepping stone for consumers worldwide toward a healthy lifestyle. The H400, a model released in 2023, is Hurom's customizable juicer equipped with the latest technology, the second generation multi-screw. It employs a slow and low temperature juicing for a clear and richer extraction. The M100 is the world's first dual motor kitchen appliance, combining a slow juicer and a high-speed blender into a single unit. Hurom continues to expand its diverse lineup of health-focused home appliances, including the Multi-Tea Master for easy brewing and the Power Blender for high-intensity, high-speed blending. Hurom is also studying ways for a healthier life, including nutrition and lifestyle research. Hurom Juice, created using Hurom's low-speed juicing technology, embodies the colors, flavors, and nutrition of nature in its purest form. Some may ask, why an appliance company is so invested in nutritional research?
휴롬에서는 저속으로 착즙한 채소 과일 주스의 기능성 성분과 효능에 관한 연구를 통해 휴롬 주스의 우수성을 규명하고 채소 과일 섭취 증진을 위한 연구 개발에 힘쓰고 있습니다.
휴롬은 전 임직원 대비 R&D 전담 인력이 37%를 차지할 만큼 R&D 개발에 지속적으로 힘쓰고 있습니다. 자체 개발비 투자와 각종 첨단 연구 설비를 통해 혁신적인 기술 개발을 위해 끊임없이 노력하고 있습니다. 무엇보다도 건강한 기술을 개발한다는 신념으로 원액기 시장을 선도하고 있습니다.
휴롬의 생산 시설은 최상의 품질을 보장하기 위해 설계되어 있습니다. 최고의 제품을 제공하기 위해 국제규격의 품질 기준과 충분하고 안정적인 자재 수급 체계를 구축하고 100% 전수 검사를 통해 전 제품을 생산하고 있습니다.
Hurom leads global health culture centered around wellness. Hurom is dedicated to the well-being of our employees, providing freshly squeezed juice made in-house every morning, and continually strives to support a healthy lifestyle for our staff. Furthermore, Hurom actively appoints global ambassadors who understand the importance of fruits and vegetables and help promote healthy lifestyles for future generations.
저희는 저속 착즙기를 2008년에 처음으로 수출한 이래로 지금까지 누적적으로 약 1,200만 대 정도로 수출했습니다. 저는 개인적으로 휴롬과 같은 회사가 한국에 하나 있다는 것을 굉장히 자랑스럽게 생각하고요. 그리고 저희가 생각하는 가치, 당신의 건강만을 생각한다는 이 가치와 철학을 전 세계 모두와 공유를 하고 싶습니다.
Hurom shares the value of health and creates positive changes for a healthier lifestyle. Recognizing the value of nature amidst the busy life and putting it into practice to maintain the balance of nutrition in our bodies. And everyone living a long and healthy life. That's the goodness that Hurom would like to offer. We will stand by you always to ensure your everyday is healthier than yesterday. Your health, our priority. Hurom.